Alright folks, gotta talk about these Kailh box white V2 switches I just got my hands on. Seriously, if you're into that clicky, tactile goodness, you have to check these out. They're an upgrade from the original box whites. And let me tell you, Kailh really stepped up their game. They've tweaked the materials and internal structure, and the result? A seriously satisfying typing experience. First off, that click. It's crisp, it's clean, it's not too high-pitched, and it's definitely not mushy. It's that perfect Goldilocks click, just right. And the tactility? Oh boy, you feel that bump, nice and pronounced, letting you know exactly when the keystroke registers. It's not overly aggressive, but it's definitely there, giving you that satisfying feedback. Perfect for gaming, coding, or just flexing your typing skills. Now, these are specifically for SMD LEDs, so keep that in mind. You can't use switch LEDs with these. But honestly, with the huge variety of SMD LEDs out there, you've got tons of customization options. They're compatible with both 2x3x4mm and 1.8mm LEDs. But there's a little catch. You gotta solder the LEDs to the PCB before you solder the switches. Just a heads up, 3mm round LEDs won't work, even if you pre-solder them. Another big win? Durability. These bad boys are rated for 80 million keystrokes. That's like a lifetime of clicking and clacking. Plus, they're IP56 water and dust proof. So, if you happen to spill your coffee or have a particularly dusty environment, your keyboard's going to be just fine. No more panicking about crumbs and spills. They've also used 18K gold crosspoint technology, which honestly sounds super fancy. But beyond the fancy name, it actually makes a difference. It contributes to the smooth, consistent feel of the keys, and it helps with the longevity too. No scratchy feeling here, just pure clicky bliss. The actuation force is around 45 grams, with a bottom-out force of 50 grams. So, they're not super heavy, but they're not feather light either. They strike a really nice balance, requiring just enough force to avoid accidental keystrokes, while still being easy to press for long typing sessions. Your fingers won't be screaming for mercy after a long day of work or gaming. And one more thing. They've apparently fixed the issue with the older box switches cracking GMK keycaps. So, if you've been hesitant to try box switches because of that, you can rest easy knowing that these new V2S are GMK friendly. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with these Kailh box white V2 switches. The clicky tactile feedback is just perfect. They're built to last and they're packed with features. If you're looking for a new set of switches to upgrade your keyboard, definitely give these a try. You won't be disappointed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.